So, children, we would read the heritage. India is a land of diversity. It has rich and glorious past. Indian culture is a blend of different types of dances, music, festivals, languages, architecture, and dresses. What do we understand by this paragraph, children? That in India we have different types of dances, music, festival, languages, architecture and dresses. Dances you all know, music also you all know, festivals हम सभी celebrate करते हैं. Languages कुछ अपने घर में बंगाली बोलते होंगे, कुछ उड़िया बोलते होंगे, some must be speaking Ho. Architecture. Now when we come to architecture, have you ever gone to Konark Sun Temple or Victoria Memorial? So those are architectures. Dresses, we wear different dresses. Yes, someone's mother would be wearing suit, someone's mother would be wearing sari and so on. So we come to know that in India we have different type of dance, music, festival, languages, architectures and dresses. Alright, our country is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Each state has a different culture, people wear different types of dresses, enjoy different types of dances and music, celebrate festivals in their different ways and speak different languages. Even the taste in architectures differs from one state to another. Let us learn about our heritage. So, if you go to West Bengal, you will see the food is different, the attire is different, even the language is different. When we come to Jharkhand, we see people speaking Ho, Santali and wearing the tribal dresses. When we go to Maharashtra, we see people wearing Marathi type of attire. Marathi sari or might be Marathi. So, we come to know that throughout India, we have 29 states and 7 union territories and each state has different culture. In together, we call them culture. सभी अलग अलग जगहों पे लोग अलग कपड़े, अलग त्योहार, अलग डांस और म्यूज़िक, अलग भाषाएं बोलते हैं. So, we will get to know one by one about each of the heritage. So, I would like you to read this para. Languages. First of all, when we talk about heritage, हम heritage को जब जानना चाहते हैं तो सबसे पहले हम भाषा की बात करते हैं. We talk about language. Different languages are spoken in different states of India. Majority of people in India understand and speak Hindi. It is the national language of our country. The way we write a language is called its script. Most of the languages are written from left to right except Urdu, Sindhi and Kashmiri. They are written from right to left. So, which is the national language of our country? Hindi is the national language of our country. क्योंकि ये सभी जानते हैं और पूरे इंडिया में most of people knows to speak Hindi. Yes? Now, the way we write a language is called its script. उसे उसकी लिपि कहते हैं. हिंदी की कौन सी लिपि है? हिंदी is usually written in Devanagari लिपि, Devanagari script. Alright, English is written in Roman script. The English which you are reading right now, it is the script is Roman. Now, most of the language are written left to right except in India, Urdu, Sindhi and Kashmiri. These three languages are written right to left, means they are written this way and not this way. So, next we move on to come to page number 74. We will talk about dresses. Now, how many languages are spoken in India? There are majorly 22 languages spoken in India. Next, we come to dresses. The traditional dresses of men and women of each state differ from one another. Saris are draped in different styles in different states. Now, ड्रेसेस की जब हम बात करते हैं इंडिया में तो जनरली ज़्यादातर स्टेट्स में साड़ीज़ पहनती हैं औरतें जो होती हैं, और लेकिन डिफरेंट तरीका होता है उन साड़ियों को बांधने का. लाइक मराठीज वेयर दिस वे, यूपी साड़ीज आर लाइक दिस, बंगाली साड़ीज आर लाइक दिस, ओडिया wear this way, and Andhra Pradesh this way. Alright, so in some states people also wear salwar kameez and lehenga choli. Alright, for example, in Haryana people wear skirt and shirt, and over that they drape a dupatta. Men commonly wear t-shirt, shirt, trouser, dhoti, kurta pajama in North India and lungi shirt in South India. So I will attach pictures of different types of attires in India of both men and women. Just have a look on them.